Like, how was the process of kind of getting integrated with the GeoDNet RTK network through the RTK portal, as well as setting up the GeoMeasure itself?
That was really simple. You mount it, power up, connect to it by its Wi-Fi network, and then tell it how to connect to your own Wi-Fi network. It was really, really smooth. I have a small drone that I will take pictures of the plot of land. I usually take it from about 50 meters above the surface. It'll take like 200 to 300 pictures, and there's a software called Open Drone Map can combine all of those pictures into a big high-resolution map. To make sure that map is accurate with the GPS coordinates, you have to do called georeferencing. I use the points from GeoMeasure. So I put the GeoMeasure in a known location, get the coordinates of those points, and then put that into the algorithm, and then it makes really high resolution drone maps as well. So I've been doing that as well. That's really interesting for me.
GeoDNet. Mind the sky.